Melissa from the Melmar group. It's been a long time and I actually have to run out the door in about 5 minutes, but I wanted to bring you this Dollar Tree haul today because I have a lot of good stuff. So let me get right to it. Probably my favorite thing I found was this cute print. Sorry about the glare. Happiness is homemade. I just thought that that was darling. So let me set that down. And excuse my appearance today. We're having big winds and, you know. My next favorite thing was probably this, the felt garland. And you can see what it looks like. It's 9 feet long, and that's going to go on my fireplace mantle. So that will be really cute. This is a compilation of a couple of different hauls, and I just wanted to get the haul done so you guys could see it. Okay, I found this. I thought this was really cute. I'm going to do a DIY with the middle. I don't necessarily like it together and with the glitter, but I thought the middle was really cute. And these are in no particular order. You know, everybody says that. Okay, these are for an upcoming DIY. Super cute. Saw it at Big Lots and decided I could make it myself. And I got some wood letters. Okay, I gotta hurry. All right, I got some dirty rice mix. I've never seen this. We've bought the jambalaya before, but I thought I would try this. And you can do this in your Instant Pot. So maybe I'll do a recipe on that, but it's pretty easy to do. And I got some pepperoni. We like pepperoni grilled cheese sandwiches. So, I don't make pizza as much as I should, but we like the other. All right. Oh, summertime coming up. I got this for my husband for his steering wheel. And I can't believe that I can't find a good selection of nails at my house. So I got a pack of nails. Kind of silly to buy nails. Funny story, when I moved out on my own at 19, I bought rags. A bag of rags. Who does that? Okay, let me move on. A couple of cute wall clings. I think I only have 2. They had this one that says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And I loved this because you could do it all together or you could do individual. So I may do a DIY on that. I don't know, but really cute. Hadn't seen that before. This one I debated on buying. I'm really not into succulents, but this was just so pretty that I was like, I could make a number of gifts or decor things out of it. So it's this succulent one. And this is a half of a heart. Let's see if I can get up close so you can see. So, I mean, these little ones you could put on stuff, and then you could do the big heart. It's just really pretty. Okay. Bought a favorite standby. The chocolate covered graham crackers. Love these. Great for school lunches. Great for emotional eating. Great for lots of things. Got this one closer to Easter. It's a cute little basket, and I am going to paint this. I thought it would be cute. Not sure what color, but I'm going to paint it. I'm running out of room to put all my stuff. Got some sandwich bags. And yeah, 45 of those. And for anyone that's wondering, I had my big foot surgery, and I'm about 7 weeks out from that and doing well, and I will try to do a video on that because it was interesting what happened, but good. Okay, I bought this Progresso Creamy Alfredo with penne and chicken, and I had some for lunch today, and I didn't really like it. It had some gritty stuff in it, but it was Progresso, so thought I would try it. And then my husband loves lima beans, And I'd never seen them in the can, and these were seasoned. So got those. Am I down to my last bag? Okay. Now this is really pretty on its own. And it says, my favorite color is sunset. And I love sunsets and I love twilight. And so I could hang this up and be totally happy with it. But I liked the shape of it, and I have some thoughts for a DIY. So I'm going to paint the back, and if it turns out well, I will show you what I've done. Sorry to hiccup on you. And a couple of final things. Whenever my kids are stressed out, one of the things that I tell them is how proud I am of them, and I know that they can do it. We just want them to try their best. But I also say, you got this. And so I bought this, and I'm hoping I can find another one because I'd like to put one in each of my kids' rooms. But I thought that was cute. And finally, I found they had these cute little wood things. This one says, it's so good to be home. It's really cute. And they had, I love the wreath. They had one that had a mason jar that was metal. That was really cute. And they had a couple of different ones. But the wreath is what stole my heart on this one. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Again, super fast. Hope I didn't go too fast. Hope you found some things that maybe you might want to pick up. And boy, I am just really loaded up here. And so until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.